Morning, wherever you are. This is Domingo with you. Hope we're doing fantastic. Today we're going to be looking at OneQ, the one question app where you can earn money per question. Answer a question, you earn money. So I answered these 4 questions and I've earned $1.75. One question was worth a quarter, another quarter, $1, and a quarter. And all you have to do is just enable the notifications here, and you'll receive a notification when a question is available. Make sure you get those right away so you don't miss an earning opportunity. And it shows extra credit here. You can enable location services to earn more credit, and then you can also use my referral link in the description below. You can click on that and you can get started right away to earn credit. And then once you answer the question, it gets sent to your PayPal right away. So you go into settings, you put your email for your PayPal in, and if you have any questions, use these links in the app. I'll also include a link to download in the description below, and then you can also important information. About Me section has all your information, so you don't have to look in my information. Then you can just log out. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Have a great day.